Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to buy connects in Upwork. So the first thing you're going to do is go to upwork.com. Hand of the side here, it says connects. You can click on that button and it gives you the option to buy connects. So if you click that, it'll bring you to a page where you can select from 10 all the way up to 300 connects, or you can actually enter a custom amount, say maybe 400 connects, and that would cost you $60 plus tax. And if you have any promo codes, you can enter them in there. And then you're just going to go down to the bottom right and hit buy connects. Now, another way to do this would be to go back to upwork.com and then click on your account and then hit settings. And then you're going to click on the membership and connects on the left side corner there. And then on the bottom, it's going to say you can buy connects again, and it'll bring you back to the same page. This is how you buy connects on Upwork. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And as always, if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you.